So alam nyo na agad sa thumbnail pa lang kung anong itsura at about saan ang laro na ito. Naisip mo na? Ang laro na to ay tungkol sa salamin. Tama ba? Salamin. Now, kung titignan nyo dito ngayon, okay, kung nakikita nyo ngayon, pag tinapat ko dito sa inyo mismo yung salamin, may pangit. May multo. Ayan oh. Kita nyo ba? Okay, yun na ata yung intro ko. Wala na akong maisip. Bye-bye. Hey guys, ako nga pala si Kit Michael at ako yung nagbabalik na naman sa panibagong video ng horror na naman. At ang laro natin ngayon ay Perceptum. So, about saan nga ba itong Perceptum na to? Salamin. Salamin, di ba? Salamin. Kita yung salamin. Pagtingin ko, may multo sa likod ko. Ganun lang. Makikita ko ata yung multo sa salamin lang mismo. Pero kapag sa aking mata lang, sa mata ko mismo, hindi ata. Ganun ata ang mangyari dito. Kaya, this is my second time ko pala na nag-crash ata yung game. Wala! Okay, Perceptum. Okay na ata, di na ata naglalag. Laruin na natin to. Sana di ako tumili. Let's go. Before starting, adjust the brightness. Gusto ko dyan. Okay, oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Loading pa ba? Okay, medyo madilim to. Maganda yung graphics niya. Tutusin. Mukha okay naman. Oh, wow. Ito ba yung VR na ba to? Hold space to close your eyes and focus on sounds. Wala man tunog eh! Ay! Ano yun? Para may lumabas sa pinto ah. Hold. Open the door. Okay. Pikit? Is everything good? Oh, loading na. Oh, nangyari. Dito na. Nasaan na ba tayo? Playtest pa lang naman yung game kaya wala ba siguro ganong... Ay, may something dito. Ripped Bible's page. You who keep the faith in the face of adversity. You who pray every day with your eyes closed. You who listen to your hearts. Do not be afraid. Come. Let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker. Asay susi. Wala ba susi? Pag pinatay ko, ay, baka magpikit ako. Tapos diretso tayo. Ay, wala na wala pala nangyari. Alam ko may nangyari. Wait, what do you mean by this? May ilaw. Ano nangyari? Ano sa ilaw? Wait. Maybe, crouch tayo. Kasi worship daw eh. Crouch tayo, tapos mag-crouch. Oh my God! Someone's... Pare, may nakano niya, pare, oh! Hello? Yo, may umiiyak. Hello? Are you okay? Oh, nawala siya. Pag may jump scare, pikit lang tayo, guys. Ganun lang gagawin yan. Oh, okay na. Is everything good? Oh my... Sara mo na yan. Baka may lumabas pa eh. Okay. Rip handwritten note. And this movie is exhausting me. I thought it would be good for the kids. A fresh start in a new town. A new house. Just moving on. But it's getting worse. I just feel like I'm losing my mind. I was certain I had hung 3 crucifixes on the walls of this room. I swear to God it was the first thing I did when I arrived here. So where are they? They are not in the boxes. Not in the car. Nasa na mga crucifix? Ba't nawawala? Bakit may tumunog na something doon? Hello? Goodbye? Hello? Okay. Oh! Can you close that? Can you close? Okay. Pumibigit din yung character natin. Did I just saw something dito sa taas? May lumabas ba? Wait, pikit. Someone's crying. Ate, I got you. Don't worry. I got you. Bakit nawala yung pikit? Ay, nawala. Nawal. Oh, ito. Something. I got a mirror. Hold. Use the mirror. Oh, why do we feel like ito yung ano, para tayo nasa ano, Conjuring. Is it Conjuring ba to? Yo. So that means, pag binuksan natin to, bubuksan. Oh, never mind. Hindi pwede buksan. Di ba dito? Dito tayo tingin. And I think they're good. Ito yung crucifix, oh. There's a crucifix there. So, para saan? Para saan to? Anong crucifix? Lupit! Para tayo si ano sa Conjuring, ah. Oy! Ba't bumalik? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Bakit bumaliktad bigla yun? What just happened? What just happened? Bakit bumaliktad yun? Patugtog man tayo. Hindi ba dito? Wala bang nakalagay dito? Like... Sara mo na yan! Baka dyan lumabas yung multo eh. Sige, hindi ba natin bubuksan to? Not opening this, okay. Wala nang something. Hindi ba like, kailangan natin tong ano yun? Wait lang. Let me. Bakit bumaliktad to? Wait. Actually, wait. We need to find... I think we need to find the crucifix. Gamit yung glass. I mean yung mirror. Try natin. Crucifix. Nasaan ka na? Wala ba sa taas? Pwede ipan sa taas yung ano eh. Or maybe nandito sa loob. If we go here. No, nothing, huh? Wala, walang... Sa cross? This one? Wait, nawala yung dugo? Anong ginawa mo sa dugo, te? Nawawala yung blood. What does that mean, ha? Ba't ang dilim na dito? Ba't dumilim dito bigla? Feeling ko kailangan talaga hanapin yung crucifix. So, let's find the crucifixes. 3 daw yung crucifix dito. Oh, wait. May something na doon. Okay, we found it. Found one. Dito. There you go. Ay, gumalaw! Naiya! May sumilyo. Oh, nabasag? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Nagpaparamdam ka na, tol? Tumataas na yung balibo ko? Ba't ka nabasag? Agad hindi pa ako tapos eh. Hanapin ko lang yung crucifix, ha? Huwag ka muna chill ka lang. Hanapin ko lang yung crucifix. Maybe here? Wala. Okay, sige. Nasaan kaya yun? Isa na lang kailangan crucifix. Dito may sumilip kanina. Sige, patapangan tayo dito, tol. Ito, may something, oh. Ayun, oh. Ibig sabihin, nandito sa likod na yan. I knew it! Parang hindi maganda tong progress ko, ha? Huwag mo isa... Huwag mo isara! Takbo na, pre! Oh my gosh. What? Titigan tayo dito, Lola. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, pare. Hold the mirror to switch hands? What do you mean? Okay. We can switch hands. Okay, sige. What the hell was that? Oh my gosh! Ang laki nun! Is that mama? Oh my god, huwag ka sisilip. What the hell is yan? Hindi ako sanay na hindi naka-live. Switch mo, dali. Yan, sige. There should be something kasi naka-lock to, guys. Wait. May note. May time ba ako magbasa sa ganitong sitwasyon? Rip handwritten note. Not on the table. And obviously, no one took them. No one saw them. No one did anything, and that's exactly the problem here. Nobody cares about anything. Nobody in this family seems to understand how important this is to me. I don't need to see a doctor. I just need everything to go back to normal. I need family to find its way back to the righteous path. I need rest. Lord, I beg for your help. Lord, tulungan mo ako. Lord, can you help me? Okay, I think kailangan ulit natin gumanto and then crouch. Pikit. Wala nangyari! Ate, switch ka nga. Should we go back? Oh, wait. Bawal na nga. Maybe. Yung parang worship lang din ata natin to kanina. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Ah! Ano yun, pre? Ate? Oh my gosh. Yun na yun? Tumaas balayibo dun ah. Thanks for trying Perceptum early demo. Yeah, we're gonna wishlist this game now. Kasi wala tayong choice. Let's wishlist the game. Ganda ng game to be honest. So ano siya, medyo ano siya sa Bible. I think it's all about Bibles or siguro demon to or something devil, no? Demon, devil or something. Oh, so yun nga, maikli lang yung game na to and yes, sabi ko, naisip ko na lang, laruin na lang mismo na mag-isa kasi parang mas nakakatakot talaga to kapag mag-isa talaga. Kaya tumaas yung balayibo ko to be honest. And sana naman na-enjoy nyo kahit saglit lang yung game and for sure, kung gusto nyo na mga ganito lang, na ako lang mismo naglalaro na hindi naka-live, sabi, gawin nyo na. Just do it, guys. Like the video and yeah, don't forget to leave a like talaga and subscribe. Peace out.